Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back again, and we're going to be breaking down in full effect these Air Jordan 1 Next Chapter Spider-Verse joints right here. Super interesting sneaker. You guys seen how the release date went yesterday, and now we're here the next day, and their resale price is steadily climbing. We're going to talk about that in today's video, and also, like I said, breaking these down and throwing them on feet. You already see the laces that I did with these joints. Again, shout out to Bullet RC. I seen them on this video a couple days ago. I said, yo, I gotta switch out the laces, and I think it came out A1, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. This one right here is gonna be pretty short and sweet. Gonna be hitting, you know what I'm saying, the hot points over the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Mans, the 2.0s. I know a lot of people in yesterday's video said that the 2.0s were a lot better than the 1.0s in their opinion. Has a lot more of the Spider-Man effect, the Spider-Verse effect, and they like that more than the original 1.0s. Just a little bit more plain Jane, kind of has some type of, you know, Spider-Verse theme to it, but these right here got Spider-Verse written all over it. So make sure you guys sub up right now to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and please leave a huge like on today's video. It really helps the channel grow. We're trying to get back in the algorithm. The content is going to keep rolling for you guys, so it's greatly appreciated for you guys to spam them likes up and spam the comment section, matter of fact. All right, I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me say something about the box. I just really disappointed how Nike did this with the box. It's a regular Air Jordan 1 box. Like, you couldn't give us nothing different, nothing special. When we look at the Air Jordan 1 black wash heritages, they have a different, you know, cool little box, but they gave us a plain Jane one for the Spider-Verse. I don't know why, but yeah, this is all you get. And bam, man, checking out the sneakers. You guys see both of them right here. I want you guys real quick, let me know which one you like more as far as the laces. You got the white ones over here and you have the black ones. Me, myself, when I do pull these things out, the sail off-white laces is definitely a must when I pull these joints out. You guys gonna see that in the on-feet portion where I'm like, yo, these right here look so much better with, you know, your joggers, your pants, especially those darker pants. I think it looked really, really well with the Spider-Verse 2.0s. You guys already know the crazy hits that go all around the sneaker. Starting off with the Wings logo. You don't get your traditional like embossed Wings logo. You get this kind of like multicolor, like that's the whole thing, multicolor Wings logo right here, as you guys can see, with the, you know, Spider-Verse multiverse joints popping out the ankle portion all around these 2.0s right here, man. And leading towards the back, like I can't wait to see the video or the movie, I mean, when they do, you know, comes out, because I know that certain parts of the sneaker are gonna kind of reveal itself whenever, you know, that movie does drop, whenever he does cross like the multiverse or something like that. I'm pretty sure maybe his suit will have these colors or these, you know, logos, or maybe even somebody in another multiverse might have on something that you see on this sneaker right here. I'm just saying, like, it might be something like that, and that's why a lot of people was commenting on yesterday's video saying, watch when the movie drop, these joints just shoot up to like $350, $400, because people are like, yo, he's wearing those ones in this, you know, in the movie. I really want to add those to the collection. That's gonna raise the hype. That's gonna raise resale. So like I keep saying, if you ain't buy them now, you like them, you on the fence, I would most likely, you know, I would buy them if I was you. And then checking out the swoosh, you guys can see you got that iridescent kind of multicolored swoosh on that black patent leather going all the way around these joints. Thought that was super clean, super dope. You know, when you do turn the flash on, you know, so you stepping outside, that sun gonna be reflecting all off of these right here. Definitely gonna turn some eyes, and a lot of people gonna be like, yo, them joints is clean on your feet, man. Something I have not done yet was do the glow in the dark test for the outsoles, but the outsoles do glow in the dark and it turns like white, and I haven't tried it out yet. I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna put a little clip in the video, but I was like, yo, it's pretty dope how, you know, it's a red outsole but it turns, you know, a very, very bright, vibrant white. So I gotta test it out, I gotta see it. So you guys let me know if you checked that out yet, if you knew that, you know, it had a glow in the dark outsole. And I really wanna get my hats off to Jordan Brand about the quality. I really love the shape, I love the build, like everything about this sneaker is really, really good. Only thing they didn't do that was too good was the leather quality in the box. Like, leather quality isn't anything too great. Kind of really reminds you of the lost and found Air Jordan 1s, kind of like a flat, kind of tumbled leather type, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy, nothing too soft, but that's neither here nor there. It's still gonna get rocked. It's still a dope pair of Air Jordan 1s. Like I said, I'm glad I did grab these before the drop. when that resale was low. So I can definitely see it start to climb up here within the near future, man. And checking out the tongue, you got your big Nike Air tab right there, as you guys can see, and you have an off-white kind of sellish tongue on these 2.0 Air Jordan 1s. And like I said in the first unboxing I did for these 2.0s, people were saying that they like the Spider-Verse 2.0s more than the Lost and Founds. I can't agree with that one. But like I said, I put the tweets in there. I had a nice little conversation in the comment section of that video if you guys want to tap in. It's a lot of people that still think that these 2.0 Spider-Verses are better than the Lost and Founds. I don't know what's going on, but hey, everybody got their own opinion. Everybody got their different tastes. Me personally, like I said, I'm still taking Lost and Founds, but these right here are not a bad sneaker at all. Like the first images, like I said, did not do these any justice at all. And when you throw in these sail laces, bro, it gives it that nice pop, gives it that exquisite look. And I really, really like these joints right here, man. See, I appreciate everybody for tapping in to today's video. Quick little, breakdown. Like I said, you got some leather, you got some suede on these joints, you got some nubuck, you got some kind of like, I don't even know what kind of material this is, patent leather. You got stuff all around this sneaker. Really like it. I think, Jordan Brand executed this very, very well for the new Spider-Verse movie that's about to come out. And like I said, let me know down below in the comment section if you secured a pair right now. Make sure you guys sub up right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We got some more early looks coming, some more on feet, some more clothing hauls, all that good stuff, all that good jazz is coming very, very soon. So like I said, sub up and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out. And leave this video with a huge like, man. Everybody watching today's video, spam them like sub. Let's get this up to 500 likes. I know we can do it with you guys' support, man. Again, thanks for tuning in. And with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and throw these Spider-Verse next chapter Air Jordan 1s right on feet. I'm gonna catch you guys next one, man. Peace.